Hey class, I just wanted to do a little quick video here just showing you some examples of the painting recreation from past students. And so like these four are actually good levels of complication. You don't want anything too simple because the idea here is to get to learn the Illustrator tools. So when you look at some of the ones that I've already kind of said not to do, and you can see here this is the same info that's in the announcement pretty much, but a simple Mondrian, you can see it's really simple. It's pretty much just either lines or rectangles. So if you choose this, you won't get much credit for it. So so many students always choose this one or a similar because it's really super easy. But again, you want it to be challenging while you're learning this software. It's not super easy, but it's necessary. And the more work you do earlier on in the class doing these exercises, you're just going to have so much easier of a time towards the end when we do our class project. And it's just, this is such a required software that you want to spend the time to learn it right. So this is the one that's in the iConnect. A couple things. It's really simple, but it's also not a famous painting. So you don't really want to choose some random work. And if you have a question, just ask me. I'm pretty available. I'm on Hangouts all the time. So you can do whatever, you can ask me. I just wanted to show you a couple more, if I can actually get them to pull up here. There's that again. There's this one, this one looks a little bit complicated, but once he got these drawn, he just had to copy them. So this is another good one too. Looking for curved lines, not just straight lines. So you don't want to choose something that's super, just all straight lines. So again, curves here. Same here, curve here, and this is a really cool Keith Jarrett. Keith Haring. And there's a couple more. Here's this one here too. And again, this info also is right here in this announcement, all these examples, and I'll post this video as well. But again, it just goes over the clarification here, and then it just kind of explains different stuff. So this is a good one to do too. It's got curved lines, it's got color fills. There's that one. This is pretty complicated. If you want to bite something off like this, go right ahead. But again, this is kind of a lot of work. But again, you can do it. You're going to learn a lot from it. There's that one again. This is a good one. It has straight lines. It has curved lines. It has a lot of fills. This one's slightly complicated. This one's a good one. And they tried to emulate the texture of the drawing by making a textured stroke. And again, this one is a little bit too simple. It's got one circle, right? It's got one circular shape, but it also has mostly just straight lines and fills. Okay, so anyway, I hope this helps, and just grab me if on Hangouts or just email me if you have any questions. Okay,